Just before the video starts, I've got a website, cheappcbuilder.co.uk, and on that website I've got recommended graphics cards and processors, and I update it every month. So right now it's on the September version, and soon there'll be the ultimate Microsoft Flight Simulator PC out on the website. For the processor, I chose a Ryzen 5 3600, which will be able to support the RTX 3070 and not bottleneck it. This is a 6-core 12-thread processor with a 4.2 GHz max boost, which people seem to think that it won't support an RTX 3070, but trust me, it will. Next, I chose 16 gigabytes of Corsair Vengeance RAM. It's at 3200 MHz and it has XMP support, so this will be able to support the Ryzen 5 3600 as it is fast enough, and 16 gigs is enough for all modern games. Then the motherboard is an Asus Prime B450. It isn't a B550, but it is much cheaper, and if you felt like it in the future, you can upgrade. It's Ryzen 3000 ready, so you won't need a motherboard upgrade for the BIOS. Then next, it's the Spec 05, which is a mid-tower gaming case, and it's for £45. It's a pretty good deal. Next, it's a Crucial Nvme Ssd 500GB. I chose Nvme because it's much faster, and as more games use this method of storage, it will mean that you won't have to upgrade your SSD. So the next are 2 fans, so you'd have to buy 2 of these for the case, because the case only comes with 1, and this will give you enough airflow for the RTX 3070 so it doesn't overheat. Next, it's the VS650, which I've personally used, and it's good enough for 650 watts. It's not modular, but it works. And if this one's in stock, then by all means get the CV650. It's an upgraded version for the same price. Thank you for watching. Next week I'm planning to do a history of Nvidia GeForce video, which will take a lot longer, and my other video plans for today didn't really work out, so I had a short amount of time to make a video, so I just thought I'd do a video about the upcoming RTX 3070. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye.